Hello. Dari sila tulog. Cold night. Dari sila sa patungod sa among kuan. Among no brains daw. Patungod sa among kuan subaan. Careful my love. Tulog na sila nang sila magbinat sila. Hello. Dapat nila sa ili. Hello, zombie na. Zombie zoo. Zombie zoo. Ada sa ili. Ready na po ka mag-sleep ili. Ano sila before sleeping, boxing. Mga dong. Not too hard na ka. That you can hurt your brother. Ay! Good night, my darling. No, I love you. Mucho. Night, Matias, love you.
Good night, Dad. I love you. Good night, Matilda. I love you, Matilda. Good night, Dad. I love you. Keep Philippines safe. I love you, Ebu. Good night, Ebu. Good night, Philippines. I love you, Philippines. Oh, good morning, Philippines.
Yeah, good morning, Philippines. That's true. It's good morning today, Philippines.
Wait. Nighttime it's white in Philippines?
Yes, when it's night there, it's morning in the Philippines.
Oh,
Our movie.
Opposite.
Opposite, daytime and nighttime. Yeah. What you guys wanna watch? Oh, Minecraft movie, that's what I said, love. Hey, Dad is trying to find it, so. Paboritong box na Ezekiel, na diba? Oh, nag-rolling naman siya, ay. Rolling! Nice, siya din ha, kay atubangan sa subangan. Kuan, warm. Ano si Ellie? Sleepy na ka, Ellie? Ellie? Sleepy na? Sleepy na po si Ellie. Wala si Ezekiel, nag-rolling na. Rolling! Nausa naman siya. Mura naman kigwa. Gikigwits. Muna yan kuan. Muna sila pag-isa na sila bed kay malagan diri sila. Kinidra si Matias sa kambira sa si Ezekiel sa taas. Ezekiel mura naman kagi kuan. Kagi. Sa uli na sila dira kuan sa mga. Adugan nakapuyo na siya. Ay, kapoy. Cheese manoon. What? Cheese daw siya, cheese. Ay, ka-cute. Ay, ka-cute. Start ng ilahang Mario movie. Dala si Steve. Minecraft movie.
This thingy and that tool thingy. And when I put those two thingies together, you guessed it, it opened a portal to another world.
Other world.
This place blew my mind. I've never seen anything like it.
Good night.
Turns out it's the place I've been looking for my whole thing. Life was good.
Smile lang bata. Ang galing na po siya. Hindi makagara-gara. Ay! Oy!
So I tamed him with a crusty fever.
Gara-gara ba yung Ezekiel ay?
Dennis, you like to scratch on my knees. Dennis and I were inseparable. We did everything together.
Layback na mo, layback. Relax na, relax.
We built endless
Watch naman. Na Ezekiel, na mag-rolling there.
The more I built, the better I got.
Calm down.
Freaking
Dito na sila. Dari sila doon sa mga buhan. Puyo na sisip na puyo. Dito sila sa ilahang Minecraft movie.
Turns out, we just opened a portal to a totally new dimension. Nothing at all. Just a mindless lust for gold. These piglin brutes had mined this realm into oblivion, led by Mountosha, the evil piglin sorcerers who ruled the place.
Who are you and why are you around?
Leave the dog! Take me instead!
My bad. I'll take both of you. And it all. But then one thing.
Ay! Close na natong anak. Atong abuhan. Good night. Lunak na sila. Good night, my loves.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.